There was a boy named Arif who lived in a small village and dreamed of becoming successful one day, even though his life was simple and full of many struggles. He was not good at studies, and many students laughed at him in school. Even teachers told him to work harder, which made him feel very sad and discouraged. But Arif never gave up on his dream. Every day, he woke up early in the morning and studied again and again, even when he failed many times before. Sometimes he felt very tired and wanted to quit everything. However, he kept telling himself that he could do it if he stayed strong and continued working hard. Years passed, and slowly Arif began to improve. His results became better, and people who once laughed at him were now surprised by his dedication and strong determination. One day, Arif passed his exams with great success and made everyone proud. He smiled and realized he was never weak. He just needed time, patience, and hard work. Moral: never give up on your dreams. With patience, hard work, and self-belief, you can achieve anything in life.